Chief Minister N. Biren has invited representatives of civil society organizations to discuss the peace talks between NSE and IM and India and other state-related issues. The meeting will be held at CM Secretariat tomorrow. Johnston Higher Secondary School Students' Union withdraws strike over transfer of teachers during mid-session. The Students' Union urges teachers and students to attend the school from tomorrow. Assistant Professor, Senior Resident and Associate Professor withdraws their strike, demanding time-scale implementation after assurance by Health Minister L. Jayantakumar. MLA of Moirang constituency P. Saratchandra said, tree plantation is the only way to reduce global warming during a tree plantation program held at Ngangkalawai. Altogether, 4,000 tree saplings were planted during the program. Boxer Loblina Borgohain has brought laurels to Assam and the country by winning gold medal at Magomed Salam Umakzanov Memorial International Boxing Tournament in Russia's Kaspis. The Assam boxer, who hails from Gwalaghat, faced Italian boxer Assunta Canfora in the final and defeated her 3-2. In order to deal with the massive Rohingya influx from Myanmar, the Indian government has appealed to the world community to help Bangladesh. India has termed the influx of Rohingya Muslims a threat to regional security. A shooting at a Walmart store in Texas left 20 people dead yesterday, according to reports. At least one suspect was reportedly taken into police custody after the shooting in the US border city of El Paso, triggering fear and panic among weakened shoppers as well as widespread condemnation.